So how to figure out if your investment property is a good investment for beginners. The first thing you have to calculate is your monthly income. So for a rental property, that is how much rent are you collecting monthly. The second calculation you need to make is your expenses. How much is your mortgage payment? How much is your taxes, insurance, any utilities, and any other expenses you incur every month. Next, we're going to subtract our expenses from our income, and this will give us our monthly cash flow. Then we're going to multiply our monthly cash flow by 12, which is going to give us our yearly cash flow. Now, a really quick indicator if this is a great investment property or not is to make sure that this property has positive cash flow. It is important to remember when you're investing, you must have positive cash flow. Now, to figure out our cash on cash return on this particular property, we're going to divide our yearly cash flow by our initial down payment and closing costs. Now that you know your cash on cash return, the higher the number, the better your investment is.